Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this morning, along with Dory's Dollies, we are bringing to you a challenge for Dolls Gone Goth. That's any kind of doll at all. Her head is not just right with the boots. This morning, we're bringing you Love Stinks Challenge. And this is for any doll at all, any goth doll. And this is my Gothea. I did her face up and I made her clothes. When I saw these socks at Dollar Tree, I thought Dolls Gone Goth. I went to get her chain boots out. She has boots that are laced with chains. And this is how the boots come, and I usually cover that with marker, but it was so perfect for the challenge, I went ahead and let her have tie boots. This is how I made the little outfit. I think she looks cute. It looks like she's got little red shorts on. I really like it. I'm going to make her a skirt in a minute, but I want to stop here and show you what I did. I, of course, turned the sock inside out, and I had made this pattern, and what I did was I took my doll and I just laid her down on a piece of copy paper, and I just went alongside of her and drew that out. I did, however, fold it in half and cut it so that it's symmetric. And then I take this particular pattern, and of course this is inside out, and I put 3 pins in, one with the head up here away from the sock, and one on each side. And then when I sew just to the outside of this pattern. Take it off and turn the little tights inside out, and that's what I have there. This top is a little peasant top that I had seen it for a different doll on the internet for free, and I went and looked at the pattern. I made a couple and I put it on my website for a Blythe doll. You can look on whimsicalblythe.com on the easy I think it's easy sewing or easy crafting page. And this is just lickety split. And what I did is I cut the sock across here and across here to her arm's length. This is my mannequin. And I cut it from neck to her arm's length, just a little extra, because you add elastic at the top, you need a channel for that, and a little hem, and that's where I am so far. Gothea is not waving. That's a stop. Stop the love you save. I got her dressed and I showed her to Darren, and he said, she needs a shield. I'm like, a shield? He's like, yeah, for Cupid's arrows. So he had this Barbie doll model for a shield that has a little armband in the back that clips onto the doll's arm. Isn't this, isn't that funny? And it's Medusa. So the guy that is getting ready to shoot the arrow, Cupid shoot the arrow, the guy standing here, might just freeze up. So that is my girl this morning for Love Stinks or Love Hurts. Thank you, Dory. This was really fun. I got to tell you, I was happy with Gothea's outfit. When Darren said she needs a shield, it was like, yes, she does. If you have a Dolls Gone Goth video today, would you please let me know in the comments? I do not want to miss one Love Stinks video. And be sure to go by Dory's today. Leave a like wherever you go. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We need to help one another out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.